How to change your profile photo in Clubhouse. Go to your iPhone and search for Clubhouse, find the app there, and usually we will be in the hallway where we have all the rooms that are happening at the moment, and we'll see our photo profile there in the top right corner next to the bell. So we click in our profile photo, that takes us to our profile, and then we click again on the photo that shows up above our name, now towards the top left of the screen, and here we can change the photo. So change the photo, we click on the photo again, and that will give us two options: pick from the library or take a photo. Of course, we always can take a photo in your phone, or if we have upload a photo in the library, you go there, pick from the library option. Then you will have all your photos. I have an album here just for the profile photos that I did previously and update. So I select that one. Okay, confirm by click choose in the lower right corner. And in this case, it's the same image, but if it was a different one, will be update there. Then I confirm by clicking on done. And now the photo will be updated there. So just easy peasy lemon squeezy when you know how.